In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find most popular templates in Gohighlevel 2026, step by step. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard area of your account. Once you're inside the platform, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This side panel is where you'll find most of the core navigation options, so it's a good place to get familiar with if you're still learning your way around the platform. From that left side panel, click on Template Library. This is the section where Gohighlevel stores the available templates you can browse through and use. If you work with funnels, websites, forms, or other pre-built assets, this area can save a lot of time by helping you start with something that's already working well. After you open the template library, move your attention to the upper right area of the page. This is where you'll find the sorting option that controls how the templates are displayed. By default, the list may not automatically show the highest performing or most commonly used templates first, so this is the setting you'll want to change. Click on the drop-down that says Default. This opens the sorting menu and gives you different ways to organize the templates. The reason this matters is because sorting can help you quickly find the templates that are getting the most attention instead of scrolling through everything manually. From the drop-down menu, select Most Popular. As soon as you do that, Gohighlevel will reorganize the template list for you. Instead of seeing the standard default order, you'll now be looking at the templates that are considered the most popular within the library. At this point, all the most popular templates will be showing on your screen. This makes it much easier to identify options that other users are choosing frequently, which can be especially helpful if you want a strong starting point without spending too much time comparing every available design. A useful tip here is to take a moment to preview a few of the top results before making your choice. Popular templates can be a great shortcut because they often reflect layouts and structures that people already find useful and effective. That said, it's still smart to pick the one that best matches your goal, whether that's lead generation, appointment booking, or a specific type of client workflow. And that's it. That's exactly how to find the most popular templates in Gohighlevel. Once you know where that sorting option is, the process only takes a few seconds.